Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create drip text effect on Canva application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my design on my Canva application and I have added text to my Canva and I'm going to create drip text effect on this design. First thing first, we can go to the elements and then we have to search for the drip effect. You just need to type drip like this and then there will be a lot of drip effect you can use. I'm just going to select the free one. I'm gonna go with this one, guys, and then we can change the color. You just need to click on the color option right here and I'm just going to select the color so the color will be the same with the text. Okay, and I'm just going to adjust the position like this. I'm going to keep adjusting until we're satisfied with the result. Okay, for the first drip, I'm going to place it right here, guys. And then for the second one, I'm just going to duplicate this element, this drip element. Okay, and this is the final result, guys, and that's how we can create drip text effect on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.